We will continue to manage situations. I know there are situations like the one that is happening in the Middle East that affects, transport routes, logistics routes, escalating prices. But I want to thank Parliament also for stepping in when I proposed to Parliament changes to our tax structure. They did it expeditiously. In fact, the passage of the law was done in 1 hour and 20 minutes. And we had a whole brand new law for me to sign. And that has significantly adjusted the prices downwards. And we are going to monitor the situation to see how this goes forward. I know many people in Kenya keep asking, why is it that sometimes prices of fuel are different in Kenya from our neighbors? And sometimes maybe it's good to let them know, because it's important for people to know. 3 things. Number 1, Kenya is a middle-income country. Our neighbors are least development countries. There's a big difference. If you want to compare Kenya fairly with others, compare Kenya with other middle-income countries. That is how